Check out what's happening today at our soft storage retrofit here in Harbor City. We're pouring concrete. We got the guys gearing up, getting everything ready to go. The concrete truck is about to show up, and we're very excited to share it with you, so check it out. So we just finished our pour. We had a whole truck of concrete. It was chaos for 40 minutes, but we got it done. So all we got to do now is polish up the pour on the slab side where the cars are going to park, clean up, make sure everything's all set, and we'll be able to give you an update next week when we come back to finish the other side. Next week we put the moment frame in. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to share it with you. Remember, if you want to learn more about soft storage retrofitting, go to softstorage-retrofitpros.com. Like us on Facebook and make sure you comment below. Do you like what you saw today? I'm curious to know. Let me know. My name's Alex with Bay Cities Construction, reminding you, you don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros.